Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the 3D sound test in the Poco X3 device. As you can see friends, so this was the one of the best question asked in my channel, that whether the sound can be actually listened from the left to right or right to left when the sound is actually changing in the video. So right now I'll try to demonstrate a video which has a 3D sound effect in it, and let's see while playing this video and it with full volume whether the sound was able to get from right to left or left to right during that video. By this you will get a clear idea of is the loudspeaker in the Poco X3 device. So whenever you're watching any movies which has a Dolby Atmos sound in that or any other 3D effects, then definitely you will be feeling that kind of experience. So right now try to listen carefully when I'm playing the video. So try to use the earphones while watching this video. Make sure that you're listening to the earphones, because only through the earphones you can actually listen exactly the sound traveling from right to left and left to right in this demonstration. And in case if you're wondering what kind of wallpapers I'm using for the punch hole mobile phone in the Poco X3 device, so make sure to check the playlist links in description for the wallpaper, and not only for the wallpapers, even for so many videos on the Poco X3 smartphone. Every day I'll be trying to do so many videos on the Poco X3, and here is a video which I did on the wallpaper for the punch hole. So try to check that video. Even live wallpapers similarly like this, as you can see here. So let's get started with this video demonstrating right now. So right now I'll be playing this video and try to use the earphones as I said. So only then you'll get to know the loudspeaker. So right now I'll try to put the mobile phone a little bit close to the camera so that you can actually listen the sound from the left to right and right to left in this Poco X3 device. And in this video, the sound will be traveling from the right to the left side slowly, gradually. So you can hear the voice from each and every location here. So later there will be a couple of animations as well coming from the right to left. So let me start the video right now.
Right front. Right. Right surround. Back. Left surround. Left. Left front.
So overall friends, this is a 3D sound effect in the Poco X3, and in this video demonstration I did like this kind of video sound in the Poco X3 device. So overall the sound was actually traveling from the right to left and left to right during this kind of demonstration, which is very good. And dual stereo speakers, we usually want this kind of thing happening in this mobile phones. So not only just playing the as a sound, so it should be able to manage the sound as well, left and right to left. So this video will be giving a quick clarity to so many users who are having this kind of confusion in the Poco X3 device. So similarly like this, I'll be trying to clear so many other confusions whatever you're having regarding the Poco X3. So not only Poco X3, there are plenty of other smartphones in my channel. So do try to check the links in description for the playlist of Poco X3 if you want to get to know more details of this smartphone. And see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.